Hello, good morning to all. Here I am presenting the video based PPT presentation for quality improvement in maths education project. I, Mr. Mali Harish Tukaram, presenting on chapter circle. My register number is 8097. I am from Madhyamik Vidya Mandir, Nanis of district Ratnagiri. My guides are Sri respected Professor I.K. Rana and respected Professor S.J. Gharpure from IIT Bombay. I am presenting this in three steps. First is observe and explore. Second, define and prove. And the last and third step is apply and evaluate. For this circle, first step is observe and explore. For this, we will see a video on it.
Circle. Objects in circular shape. Clock. Drum. Sun. Wheel. Rings. Objects in oval shape. Egg.
For this chapter circle, we will define the circle as the two-dimensional figures, some triangles, some hexagonals, quadrilaterals, but this is a special type of two-dimensional figure circle. Now we will define it. For this, we will see a video in my class.
The center. Here we see a line from one end to another end of the circle. This is known as a chord. Here is another line which is from this point to this point. This is also a chord, but at the middle, the chord which passes through the center, is known as diameter. This chord is known as diameter. So diameter is the longest chord of this circle. Again, we will find a line segment from center to the point on the circle. This distance or this line segment is known as radius. What is this? Radius. And here we see the diameter is formed by two radius opposite from the center. So, if the radius of a circle is 7 cm, then the diameter of the circle is how much it will be? 14 cm. Radius of the circle is 7 cm, then the diameter will be 2 times the 7. That is 14. Then give me an answer. If the radius of a circle is 10 cm, if the radius of the circle is 10 cm, then what will be the diameter? 20 cm. That is 2 times the radius. Yes. Then we will say this is also a circle, but here we see a screen totally inside the circle, and this is known as the circular area of the circle. Circular area of the circle which comes inside the circle. A plate, a meal plate or the dinner plate or a round shaped other any material is known as the circular area. Here we see this is the diameter, this is radius, this is, what is this? Chord. If we take two circles which are touching one another, that is touching circle. Here we see the radius of first circle and radius of the second circle. The two circles touching one another. Here is the center of first circle. Here is the center of the another smaller circle. But we get this line, a straight line from the two centers, and it is the distance between two centers is the sum of the radius. Two radii, this first plus this second radius. Again we see the touching circles like this. If two circles are touching, internally, that is, the smaller circle is inside the larger circle, and here we see the center of the smaller circle is here, and the center of the bigger circle is, it comes here, and the difference between the two radii, the difference between the two radii is the distance between the two centers. The first center and the second center, and the distance between the two centers is the difference between the two radii.
From a point. The point is called a center and the distance is the radius of the circle. A line segment passing through the center and whose endpoints are on the circle is called diameter. We see some properties. First, radius is half of the diameter, that is r equal to d divided by 2. And the circle whose endpoints are on the circle is called chord. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now we will see the touching circles have a common point and a different circular part is called the circle touching externally if the radii of two R1 and distance equal to minus R2. Now we will see the tangent. If a line and a circle have a common point and all the points of line are outside the circle, then the line is tangent to the circle. A circle with radius 3 cm, line AB touches the circle at point A, that is line AB is a tangent. AB is a 4 cm and OB is OB. See, three circles are touching externally of centers A, B